What's the meaning of Birnam Wood? Birnam Wood. Birnam Wood.
Birnam Wood. Birnam Wood. Birnam Wood is a term that refers to a forest located near the town of Birnam in Scotland. It is famously mentioned in William Shakespeare's play Macbeth, when the witches prophesy that Macbeth will not be defeated until Birnam Wood moves to Dunsinane Hill, where Macbeth's castle is located. This prophecy eventually comes true when soldiers use branches from the trees in Birnam Wood to camouflage their approach to Dunsinane. The phrase Birnam Wood has since become a metaphor for an unavoidable and impending event or situation that cannot be prevented or avoided.